We're now recording.
We're now recording?
We're now recording. Rockin' rolla. Rockin' rolla.
Boy.
He's drinking and kayaking.
At the same time.
He's a kayaker.
Crazy kayakers.
He's a kayaker.
Kayak.
Kayak! Kayak!
Kayak!
Ooh! The river is beautiful. That's right. I know you're right.
I know, right?
This bud's for you.
Let's get you on it.
Let's get you on it.
Let's get you on it. We'll see. Do something good. Just stretch it out for us.
Car is over there.
Which way's the gym?
When we came from back there, I believe my horse over there.
Lots of chest hair.
Which way to the gym?
Not as much chest hair. I trimmed that shit.
You did trim it, didn't you? Put it on number 2.
Nah, I use the coda in. Nah, it's number guard, I guess.
Evan, you're going to show us which way's the gym? The gym is... Oh, look, got you on camera. Oh, abuse.
One's for my home.
Abuse.
All my grounded homies out there.
Is that for the dead guy that was in the river when he fell out?
And all those other dead people we haven't known about yet.
Hey.
Right.
No doubt.
That was for the trout. Make them
Just
tough.
like that.
Alright, I'm feeling it. You guys ready?
Here you go.
Finish my beer. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Merle, signing off.